Alright, here we go.
How much do I need if I want to do like a few drinks for people? I'm going home soon, so I don't need a ton of it.
How many people?
How much for like 6 people to make a nice drink?
Do like maybe like 3 bags.
2 bags? How much does that cost?
2 bags. 2 bags will be like 500.
500? Yeah, sure.
Depends on how much you know. If they drink a lot, they could do like 3 bags.
A lot's better than a little. I'll do 3 bags.
Yes, okay.
If it's 500 for sure.
So 500.
And it looks like really good sorrel. It's like juicy and thick, like
a drink.
Yeah.
It's a drink.
So you just get the flour and not the fruit. That's cool. It does look really nice.
Yeah. We have like cayenne inside here. This black one.
You know every little stall there.
Yeah. And what did you do?
Not for the sorrel drink.
No. You ain't gonna put that inside.
Keep it out. I'll make a spicy sorrel surprise.
Oh.
That's the one. Yes, ginger, right? Okay. I've heard that goes well. And some Appleton.
Yes. Like ginger beer.
You gotta have ginger with it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Each box contains like 1 pound,
Okay.
which is 250 per pound. So that would be 750 and 4, that's 1150.
1150? Okay.
Yeah.
Deal.
That's it.
That's it.
You don't want to wrap bananas to white and puncheon?
Oh, you know what? I'll do a couple bananas. Alright, when you reminded me, I am gonna get hungry if I'm surfing later, so a few bananas can't go wrong. Always.
We never served before. I don't know what it's like.
It's pretty fun.
Oh, that was one day.
Go big or go home.
I was smart that day, man.
Christmas time, everybody. Some people put wine. Some people put white rum. But me, I put alcohol. I just straight water, you know. And Sorrel.
Yeah, Doret's in this too.
I want to make it feel be all a week and with the kind of free. Yeah, go like a soda. When the next Sorrel man is straight out the back of bottom, you know the back where all the back of bottom straight out? Yeah, the Sorrel do it so you know you can't sit down up. The Sorrel where you drink there. I don't know the root to that. That's just your famous something them powerful. Straight in the back. You can't sit down on the horse anymore. The Sorrel drink, you know?
Well, that surprised me because we had some. It was nice and Blue Mountain, it was still great. And then when we had it when we came back, it was exactly like you said.
Yeah, man.
So bubbly. It's amazing. It was natural.
Yes, sir. People must hide and they'll say, wow. See how long it can keep putting on the fridge, man. Putting on the fridge, man, keep it on back. Just like that, like when I bust that, but the chairs are Blue Mountain, man, I have it up there too, man. And we drink one bottle and make a chunk. Then the one they know 1 hour I drink. Every 5 seconds I'm bubbling around. That's what guys back down here because nobody never tell us with anything, man. You know, I have 2 bottles. But it was good. Good treatment. It is not bad treatment.
I remember you had those two huge plants right in front of the cabin there. What happened if they got too big? You had to chop them down.
That means you like sorry that much, yo.
Yeah. Why did you get rid of the plants?
To them right.
Oh.
To them right like them they know. White one never know what.
Does it only bear once then? So.
Yeah, man.
Oh. So yeah, we're drying some right over. These are ones I'm gonna take home. Oh, read something down that way. Because I want to make some for friends and fam. Looks so nice, eh? I bought some at a Jamaican store in Toronto, in Kensington Market. But they look a lot smaller. The color looks so good for a long time. So I'm sure the flavor is going to be so much better.
A good man, put piece of ginger there. And then I drop sour drink. And cook it, and ginger no in there. Man, but I drink a cup now.
Yeah, that was just down the main road. It's a very easy one, right? Like
That's what I look at tea, man.
you just boil it, that's it.
Yeah, you can boil it down like you can go on a road to cover you. The other day I train you out, you know though. In the morning, just train it. You can't make it today, you know. Cover it up, you know. In the morning, like this man, you just throw him off. When you throw him off, everything good, man.
After black to...
People say happy Christmas, but every day a Christmas with people, yeah? Yeah, man, every day people say, I'm going to Christmas alone, they make the sorrel, but I don't go every time like that. The sorrel, people do this when they want it. Some people in Jamaica don't drink it, some drink it. Some don't drink it, some drink it. But I know everything about it, I even the hands.
It's true. We found out.
Yeah.
Look, there they are. Wow, I like that shot too.
Wow.
With the shadow on it. I get to try.
Maybe they have a one more.
Alright, let's see. It's nice.
I don't know what you want.
No, I'm good. I don't like too much sugar, so it's perfect for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it like that. Yeah, it got really dark.
Sorry, drink better.
Just water, ginger, sorrel, sugar. That's it. Oh, look at that color.
You want that in? Try it.
Hydrate itself.
Yeah, probably I drink it and stop and want to drink, you know? So I can't talk to that, you know? Sorry. Ginger.
So serious.
Ginger with a verse, but no sugar, bone, everything. It's if I want to drink this, You know, stop and want it to drink.
Okay.
Especially if it's cool, come out of the fridge. Sometimes when it come cool and come out of the fridge, it's like it's over strong. You see it do the bottle bottom, this thing, shoot out this bottle bottom. It can't sit down good like this. See it?
I blew it out.
Yeah, so it blow it up, this red thing. So it don't have no bottom.
Yeah.
It sit down pan.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So those who are patient are rewarded with fizzy sorrel drink.
Yeah.
So it's sorrel season. We've been drinking it all last month. It's been awesome. This is a very fresh one, so no fizziness yet, but it smells good. Wow.
Sorry.
Well, it's like a tea right now. It's kind of warm.
Yeah.
It just came off the fire, so happy holidays to you.
The other day to all the fans. You know,
Get some sorrel.
we get some salad. You make a salad with ginger, yeah?
If you can't get the fresh stuff on the yard, you can get some dried stuff.
Yeah.
Try to come here. It's way better.
We have the fresh one, and we have the dry one. But we have the white one, not the red one like this. The white one is stronger than the red one.
Well, cheers, man. Awesome.
Okay.
Somebody not there.
Apple shot.
That's it.
Yeah,
Ready for the Duppy movie?
yeah.
All right.
Look, one nothing, let me see.